Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for Wizard101 Error Code 107. As per our research, this error prevents players from logging into the game. Some users have reported that they can no longer access the game, especially when using a specific Wi-Fi network. Others have experienced the issue for several hours without any success in connecting. According to our research, the error is likely caused by network issues, firewall interference, or server problems. The first thing you should try is rebooting both your gaming device and your internet router. Then check for the error. If restarting the network doesn't work, try disabling your firewall and antivirus software, and see if the error still continues. Simply turn off your firewall and antivirus completely. Then restart your device. Then launch Wizard101 and see if the error still comes. If the error still appears, try connecting your device to a mobile hotspot instead of your regular Wi-Fi. If the game works on a mobile hotspot, then the issue is with your main network. If none of these steps work, then the issue is likely on Wizard101's servers. So wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.